Managing a large smart home can get tricky, especially when you're hunting for the right button or switch to press. A digital twin makes this natural. Your brain just knows where to go. And if you haven't had a chance to explore my demo video yet, be sure to check it out through the link in the description below. This dashboard works perfectly on both computers and touchscreen devices, giving you access wherever you need it. Now, I have posted this on YouTube and Reddit, and I received tremendous support. So thanks everyone for the nice comments and feedback. And I prepared this series especially for you to walk you through step by step on how to build this on Home Assistant. Let's get you started. So I want to share the basic setup to get you started. I'm running the Raspberry Pi 4 with Home Assistant OS. That's all you really need to begin. For advanced features like digital twin AI capabilities, I'm also using a mini PC, which acts as a media server and an Olama server. But don't worry, if you want to start simpler, we'll cover both basic and advanced setups later, so you can build at your own pace. These two devices are fanless, so they are quiet and have low energy consumption. They can run as servers for a long time. They are pretty reliable and stable. I'd love to hear your ideas, comments, and feedback. If you're into do-it-yourself and hands-on builds, please subscribe for more, and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks.